Hi guys, welcome to my new video tutorial. This time I'm going to test Yosemite Beta 2 on a physical partition. I created a secondary partition on my hard drive here that I call Yosemite Test, and I'm going to test the new Beta 2. The reason why I choose this option in the end is because I realized my testing was very plausible on a virtual machine because there were too many unsolved issues, and I couldn't reach an ultimate conclusion about beta performance on a virtual machine. Alright, I installed Firefox. Anyway, you'll notice here the new Spotlight, as already told in previous posts, is enhanced, now includes results from the internet. Okay, I don't care about it. Now you'll notice a difference. If I want to enable Firefox as default browser, I'll be prompted to choose here. I use Firefox. One of the first differences you may notice in the new beta, apart the new iTunes icon, but we'll deal with iTunes later, is the way the maximize button here works. In fact, if I click it, Firefox goes to the foreground. An issue I have here with the beta is the Flash support. In fact, as you can see, there's no suitable plugin found for the beta. I tried to install a better Flash player version, but it didn't work. The way to solve this problem is to use this add-on here. In my previous post, I told that it didn't work on the beta 2, but it was pretty much due to the virtual machine. Alright, you see it was fine. And so the problem was due to the virtual machine, not to the Yosemite beta itself. Alright, let's move on. Some user has complained about the new iTunes version, especially about the new volume changer icon here, which is flat, unlike the previous one that was 3D. I don't personally think it's a big deal, but that goes along with the new dock, which is flat too, and I don't like at all the new dock, honestly. And anyway, another complaint is about the way the music is organized in iTunes. I don't have any music to show you here because I have it in my other partition and I already messed up too much. Uh, but I can keep you posted on this. Yosemite Beta 2 comes with the new Safari version, and there are some features that kind of puzzle me a little bit. One of the most important ones is that the new Safari version won't display anymore the full URL of the page you're viewing unless you tweak preferences. What do I mean? Really easy to explain. Let's go here. Alright, you'll see that I don't have the full URL of the page. Now, this is no biggie, but I can open a different page. This is not the full URL of the page. Now, this can not be a biggie if you're viewing a legit website. But what if you click a link embedded in one of those spam emails by mistake or accident, and you're redirected to a site that looks legit but it's not? Me and other guys probably would work around and understand if the page has been defaced or not, but what about the average user? How could they realize that? This is my opinion, is a serious security flaw and should be corrected. I hope they address this issue and correct it in the new version. Anyway, that's the way, as I told you, to display the full URL of the page, and to do that you need to open preferences from Safari and go to advanced and enable show full website address. Like I said in a previous post, there's a way to choose a different uh, aspect for the Yosemite operating system, and you can use dark menu bar and dock. This has been kept in Yosemite Beta 2, and we can enable it like this. Honestly, I liked it better in the virtual machine, so I will go back to the default here. One thing that will certainly please several users is that in the new Beta 2, Apple has restored the Do Not Disturb functionality in the notifications center that allows you to disable the notifications when you're busy for a certain time frame. That was already present in Mavericks and it hasn't been implemented in Beta 1, but I think they realized it was important. My final considerations about Yosemite Beta 2 can be wrapped up saying that it's surely better and more reliable than the Beta 1, and it looks closer to what it'll be the final version supposed to be released in 2015. Mm, There are still some issues that need to be addressed, in my opinion. First of all, the new Safari functionality that hides the full URL of the page, which I think turns out to be a dangerous security flaw. The operating system that looks halfway between iOS and macOS without being neither this nor that. As to the pros, we can say that the new Beta 2 is surely more stable and reliable and works pretty smoothly. It can be considered like a definite step forward, even though I don't recommend installing it on a physical production machine as main operating system. I think it's a little too early for that. That's just about all I got to say about the new Yosemite Beta 2. So I will end the video here and wish you a good day and see you in the next video.